Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, I'm going to make a super cute Sanrio character. It's this adorable Hangyodon. Let's get started. First, connect 4 light blue pipe cleaners together. Then wrap them around a pen. Thread a pipe cleaner through the center. Pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess, then fold the wire end inward. Adjust the shape until it looks even and balanced. Connect 3 pale blue pipe cleaners together. Wrap them around a pen just like before. Thread a pipe cleaner through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Thread it through the center, apply glue, then secure it in place. Trim off the excess, then fold the wire end inward. Fold a pink pipe cleaner. Measure the right length to make the mouth. Adjust the shape, then apply glue and attach it. Carefully singe away the fibers to expose the pink wire core. Measure it to the right size. Apply glue and attach it. Cut the white fabric into a circle. Glue a 4mm plastic eye on top to make the eye. Apply glue and attach it. Bend a blue pipe cleaner into a wavy shape. Carefully singe away the fibers on a black pipe cleaner. Glue the exposed black wire core in the center. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Apply glue and attach it to the top of the head like this. Next, bend a pipe cleaner like this. Add a piece of exposed black wire core. When finished, it should look like this. Make 2 pieces, then glue them in place. Fold a 1.5 cm piece of pipe cleaner. Roll it up to make the arms. Add a small piece of wire core to the center of each arm. Apply glue and attach both arms. Fold a pipe cleaner into 3 pointed sections like this. Trim off the excess, then twist tightly to secure. Trim the ends into 3 pointed tips. Make 2 pieces, then glue them in place. Carefully singe away the fibers on a black pipe cleaner, then bend it into a V shape. Apply glue and attach it. And our Hangyodon is finished. So cute, right? See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.